We have some beautiful new content for you. This is a hemisection through the cranial part of a canine that gives us a really nice look inside the chest and also the cranial abdomen here. And you can see as I hover over all these structures, they light up so you can click on them and get more information about them, as usual with all of our content. And what's great with these scans that have been made from real specimens is you get to look at these really fine structures that it's really hard to recreate by hand. So it's just an extremely accurate look at the anatomy of this region with the real structures in situ, which is fantastic. And we've also got at the same time on the other side of the specimen, we've got a dissection of the different muscles of the area. So this is also not only useful for the structures sitting within the abdomen and the thorax, but also the major superficial musculature of both the forelimb and the body wall in this region. So I think you're going to really enjoy using this one. And please, of course, let us know what you think. We've got some more great stuff on the way out to you.